What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Neve. Before I start the video, I must let you like, subscribe, put the notification bell on and come to guys when you are done. As you guys saw in the other video, I did part 2 and I drew a little gummy pizza, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. And as you can tell by the title of today's video, we are going to be giving you a slime update. So you guys remember when me, Ellie and Katie did like a slime satisfaction video with these two slimes. I made this gold clear one in one of my videos, which there you go, check that one out, making gold glitter, making clear gold slime, and this one making clear blue slime. And as you guys can see, the blue one looks more grey, but when you look here, all of the glitter has sunk to the bottom. So that's what has happened to this grey one, blue. And as you can see with this yellow one, it is starting to lose its colour, but at the bottom, the same as the blue one, they're the same. Comment down below which one you think is prettiest. So I think that the one that we're going to start with is this great blue one. So I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to open the lid. So guys, as you can see, it looks very grey, but when you do that, it doesn't get your hands sticky. Ready? Listen. That sounds so satisfying. Listen again. And then, if you look here, look, you can see all the glitter at the bottom. And like with my other slimes, when I did make it with Elmer's glue, they went off like over a few months. And this one has, I think that I've made this like over a month ago now, and it's still in shape. It's still in good clear shape, and that's very good. And I think that that's a good thing about using Elmer's glue. So I do recommend that you do use Elmer's glue like this, because it's turned out like this. So yeah, and when you like do this, you can actually see that it's proper clear, and then when you put that there, you can like see me perfectly. So I'm just gonna put sometimes when you play with it, you might get a bit of glue on your hands, but if you make a lot of slime, you're probably used to it, like I am. So I'm just gonna like pick off this bit, and then here we go, put that back in, and now we're going to go over to this slime. Ooh, interesting. Ooh. Watch this. This is cool. This one isn't as sticky as the blue one. Look at these. So cute. Let me just put it down. I just need to put it back. So, this is what it looks like. Listen. It's not as like pokey as the other one, but it is quite pokey, so that's good. So what I'm right now going to do, guys, is I'm going to do a quick little test. I'm going to take off some of it and I'm just going to use it. Right, remember guys, this is only some. Oh, that looks so good on camera. Looks so good. Watch this, ready? In my hands, I can just feel the slime just like fuzzing up. Still going, I guess. Right, so now I'm going to get it, clear it out, and then I'm going to try and make a noise. Oh, it didn't work. But the other thing that I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to try make a sound with it. I'm just going to put this other slime over there. So now I'm just going to, ready? So it sounds very good. So that's a good update for this one. So yeah, guys, like my slimes are doing very good because like I feel like because I used Elmer's glue, I feel like inside the Elmer's glue there's like a texture that stops it from like rotting, like making the slime go hard. Because look, it's still stretchy. It's amazing. Listen. Come on. Hey! Ready? So cool. I'm like, look at it. So guys, that is the update on this slime. So I'm gonna put this back. My hand's still very slimy. I'm gonna put that over there. Ah! And there we go. It was flipping down my arm. It was stuck. Right, so here is the other side. We're back with it again. It's very good for making very satisfying sounds. Like, you listen. It's so nice. Then, yeah. Listen to that. This slime isn't really as sticky as the yellow one. Don't see. Look there. Look how clear you can see me. I'm like, ooh. Okay, guys. So now that I have poked that one, I'm going to poke both of them at the same time and see which one is stickier and which one stays on the longest. And the one which is stickier that stays on the longest is the loser because sticky slime is very annoying, okay? Right, so I'm gonna poke. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh no, which one lasts? This one comes off. Let's try. Which one will come off first? I don't know. But you know what? I'm just gonna add. Look at my fingers. They're like covered in glue. Ew. I'm gonna try it again already. Okay, so here they both are. I'm just gonna wait for which one to come off. This one came off and this one's still on my finger. This like pulls off a chunk of it with me, with my finger. So guys, I think that we know which one is the winner. The blue one is the winner. Okay guys, so the blue one is is victorious because that one came off first. Oh my gosh, the yellow one is still stuck to me. So that's proof that my challenge worked to see which one was the stickiest. So I'm now going to put the lids on. Look at my fingers. I'm going to have to wash them. I'm going to have to put that there. And there we go. Listen to this, guys. Ready? Oh, that sounds so goody. So, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this slime update. I certainly have, because now I found out which slime is stickier. So I will know which slime to improve on, which is the stickier one. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.